तो और भाई लोग, कैसे हो यार आप सभी लोग? बढ़िया एकदम। तो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ क्लास 12th इंग्लिश के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs और आज है इसका पार्ट 1। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको और भी पार्ट्स देखने हैं तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। तो चलिए इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को। तो दोस्तों, पहला क्वेश्चन है, The writer tones down the philosophical load inherent in the rat trap with the inclusion of ironical situations, satirical dialogues, classical references, humor and wit। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है humor and wit। Choose the correct statement that is not true with reference to Douglas। Douglas' fear kept him away from leisurely activities in water. The fall in the pool at YMCA taught Douglas a life lesson. The fear of drowning was the source of Douglas' anxiety and terror. Douglas decided to practice relentlessly to overcome his fear। So correct option है Douglas decided to practice relentlessly to overcome his fear। Spender's use of imagery in His Eyes Live in a Dream of Squirrel Game in Tree Room, other than this, brings out the similarity between the frail bodies of squirrel and the children in the classroom, the contrast between studying in the dreary classroom and playing outside freely, the comparison of the dingy home of the squirrel and the dreary classroom, the difference between the games of the squirrel and those of the children। So correct option है the contrast between studying in dreary classroom and playing outside freely। Keats celebrates trees as a boon in the poem A Thing of Beauty। With reference to this statement, which of the following options is not true? Trees gives us sustenance, trees provide relief from heat, trees help keep the earth clean, trees appear beautiful to the eye। Correct option है trees provide relief from heat। Concluding his last lesson by writing Vive la France on the blackboard shows that M. Hamel was overwhelmed with emotions, wanted to distract all attending class that day, was keen on not leaving the country, wanted to teach French participles through it। Correct option है was overwhelmed with emotions। Rajkumar Shukla's efforts resulted in Gandhiji's fight for the farmers' cause। This showcases that he was meticulous and kind, sincere and curious, enterprising and persistent, respectful and congenital। Correct option है enterprising and persistent। It is clear that the speaker in Aunt Jennifer's Tigers has an attitude of dash towards her: empathy, wonder, sympathy, gratitude। Correct option है sympathy। Keeping quiet uses fishermen to symbolize man's persistent pollution of the natural environment, rapid degradation of human values, limitless exploitation of natural resources, constant participation in acts of terror। Correct option है limitless exploitation of natural resources। Sahib's discarded and worn out tennis shoes are an indication to procure different ones, a dream come true, a sign of his poverty, an insult to the sport itself। Correct option है a dream come true। In the poem My Mother at 66, all that the poet did was smile and smile and smile. Her smile is sudden in response to her mother's, meaningful and loaded with love, accompanied with tears of farewell put on to cheer her mother. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है put on to cheer her mother. तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। तो दोस्तों, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।